Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Slide tabs outward to unlock and remove battery. Unscrew, then remove access door. Now unscrew and disconnect heatsink. Unscrew, then remove access door. Next, slide out and remove hard drive. Unscrew, then remove access door. Then separate clips and remove memory. Then unscrew and disconnect card. Now unscrew and remove DVD drive. Pry apart power button cover. Now unscrew and disconnect keyboard. Remove hinge covers. Then unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Then unscrew and disconnect card. Then unscrew and disconnect power button board. Then disconnect display cable. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Now unscrew and remove bezel. Next, unscrew and disconnect web camera. Now unscrew and turn over screen. Then disconnect and remove screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.